question. Do you know what makes birds different from other animals? Very good. Birds are the only animals that have feathers. How do feathers help birds? Birds have feathers to keep them warm and dry and to help them fly. Did you know that small birds like the hummingbirds have about 1,000 feathers? Large birds like swans, on the other hand, have as many as 25,000 feathers. A bird's plumage. What is plumage? The coat of feathers that covers a bird's body is called plumage. Now the feathers, children, are made of keratin, and keratin is a protein. Can you think of something that you have that is made of keratin too? Very good. Your hair is made of keratin. Your fingernails as well is made of a protein called keratin.